I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, and I'm inviting you inside West Coast Customs. So today's a great day. Just got a phone call from Lucasfilm. They want to talk to me about doing a project. I'm assuming it's Star Wars, so I'm really excited just since I am a huge Star Wars fan. So I'm going to go up to San Francisco, sit down with them, and figure out what this build's all about.
I think this is going to be awesome because Ryan is such a huge fan, and that makes such a big difference because you could get any number of companies to work on this, but they don't have that kind of personal involvement that he does. Star Wars is very near and dear to his heart.
We kind of thought, it would be a cool kind of way to convey Star Wars through a car and Lucasfilm and everything. And
right.
One of the things that came to mind was the Star Wars kid commercial with the little Darth Vader and the Star Wars thing. So I thought maybe the U.S.-built Passat would be a good sort of canvas to work with.
Yeah.
So they did a really good job mounting it out. I think this is exactly what we were looking for. Now it's time to get unwrapped and get out to final assembly.
So one of the problems we have with this Vader build is the interior on this car is tan. And since we're going with the whole Vader look and we want it to be black, we gotta really paint the interior or dye it. So we've invited our friends over at SEM to come by and really show us how to do it, since this is something that we don't do here at the shop and something we need to learn how to do.
Well, my name's Danny Votel. I'm with PPX Reps. We are the SEM reps for the state of California. The materials that we're using today are going to be factory quality. It's going to be the same type of material that are used at the manufacturers to put on the cars originally. We're going to be taking this car from a light tan color to a black color.
Which one do you want to start with? The door panel will be fine.
All right. Turned out pretty good. We didn't lose any of the texture, as you can see, and
No, the sheen is perfect.
we just got done shooting the job. Everything turned out great, and now it's time to get back to the shop.
Hey guys.
Hey, Ryan.
How's it going? Good. Good to see you guys. You ready to see this car?
Let's go check it out.
All right. All right, behind this door is a piece of history. Get ready. Looks amazing in the dark, right?
Yeah, wow. That is awesome.
Now we should use the Force.
Wow.
Huh? Wow. I took some of your guys' stuff and then put some of our stuff in it.
The cool thing with the front of the car was that even though it has the Darth Vader triangle on it, it's not a literal interpretation. It's nice and close to the front end of the car, so doesn't feel like something that was tacked on after the fact. It sort of gives the whole car a direction.
The matte and the gloss paint is really striking. Plus the red lights. I mean, it's got so many great design elements to it. So yeah, walking in, it was awestruck kind of. Yeah.
We kept it clean and simple on the sides. We shaved the handles off. There. You got to see the interior of this. Took the TIE Fighter windshield and put it as like a sunroof. If we did it on the windshield, it would have looked not right, but I figured...
be able to drive it on the street.
Yeah, exactly. Added some sound to it, so when you open the door, it sounds like a lightsaber opening.
I love the seats.
Yeah.
They are beautiful. Oh, wow.
Cool, huh?
That is cool. Oh, this is awesome.
And blew up Darth Vader's chest piece a little bit to cover the radio.
Talks too, right?
It talks to
Yeah, it talks. You want to hear it? You guys got to hear it.
Yeah, it's got to hear it.
It's pretty cool. We ran it through all the stereo system in here, so it sounds amazing.
At the end of the road, take the ferry and bring me all the passengers. I want them alive.
So what do you guys think?
Looks awesome.
Yeah.
It's good, right?
We've got somebody official coming in to check it out, though.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that scream, that's his stamp of approval. He loved it.
That's good. Usually clients don't scream at the cars, but since it is
It's
Vader's
Darth Vader's
ride,
car.
right?
I mean,
Well, I'll leave you the keys. Thank you very much.
cool.
Cool.
Thanks, it's been a
Thank
pleasure.
you. Thanks. Come check out Vader's Ride for yourself this summer at Star Wars Celebration 6, August 23rd through the 26th in Orlando, Florida. To win tickets to this event, go to westcoastcustoms.com. For more information, go to starwarscelebration.com.